these plants that I all have bought separately. This one's not going. Now let me tell y'all the story behind this plant right here. Okay, y'all see my little cactus down there, he be chilling. Okay, but listen, so I had 2 of these, right? Somebody stole one of my elephants, and it was big and pretty and just like it was so nice, y'all. It was so nice. But hey, I'm gonna just go ahead and work with what I got, and I'm gonna be putting 1, 2, 3, 4. Y'all see the little vine plant down there? I'm gonna be putting all 4. I'm gonna be putting all 4 of those in here. Now I'm not sure how much y'all know about like plants. I'm a beginner myself, so I'm a beginner myself, you guys, so I'm still learning. But when you are potting your plants and stuff like that, it's very important to make sure that your pot has holes in it. Now this is the same pot, it's got a little water system, filtration system in there built in already, but it's very important to make sure that your pots have holes at the bottom. If not, then your plant is just pretty much basically gonna suffocate and die. So I'm gonna put these all in here. Now this is the only potting soil that I have. I probably should wait. What I did with my other plant is I actually put some charcoal down in there. Charcoal is really good for plants. And yeah, I had a lot of charcoal. Well, my boyfriend had a lot of charcoal, and it's just, I don't want to go back to the store, y'all. I don't feel like going to stores, so I'm just working what I got. Actually, I do have, the soil from the plants, so I'm gonna just try to make it work to the best of my ability. I may possibly have to come back and add more soil to it, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing here today, okay? It's actually for this seems like it's actually for like a water system plant. So like, let's say, what's it called? Hydroponic. So it's like plants that actually are in an active body of water. So these plants are just kind of with soil. I don't think it would be a good idea to actually use this. So too bad, so sad. What would really help if you had some charcoal. If you got some charcoal, just put you some charcoal down up in there. Plants love charcoal. Okay. But what I do have is some fish fertilizer, and my plants love this stuff. It stinks really, really bad, and I mean, it's kind of like, it's just shit. It's fish shit. So yeah, when you're handling it, make sure you wear some gloves because it's shit. All right. But I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting my plants in here. When I get my charcoal, I'll come back. And when I get more potting soil, I'll come back. But just for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna show y'all what it do, baby. Thought that all of these plants will look good together. This is a pothos. These plants are really, really easy to take care of, as well as this snake plant right here. The easiest plants you could have if you're a beginner. I don't know what he called just yet, but I just thought he would look good up in here, so I just put him in there. I'm also gonna take the another plant and put it like right there in that little space right there. And yeah, y'all, these are my plants. I had these plants for about a good 2.5 years, and they be doing good. So yeah, just wanted to show y'all that. this is kind of what it's giving y'all a little bit. Now I still got to put him in there. Considering that it's really sitting low and it's a vine, I want him to kind of like run off the edges. So I might just wait to see him in there. Yeah, I might just wait to see him in there, because see how these are like kind of falling off the edges? That's kind of the look that I'm going for with this one. So we gonna do what it do, and I'm just kind of do my best for right now. I might grab some potting soil on the way back home, because like I said, I still gotta go and get my baby. These two are pretty much gonna be like gathered together, and you see I left some space here and I left some space here. That way if I get another plant, it can drop over the side. The type of plant that I'm gonna get is gonna be like a long vine. Now this one right here, he gonna be on one side, then I'm gonna get another one to put it on the opposite side. And this guy right here, he's gonna grow taller, so he gonna have some length to him. But yes, yeah, it's looking really good. It's looking really, really good. Now, it's been a couple of months since I did that one, but I may possibly end up moving him into a bigger pot like this. That way, you know, they have a little bit more root room to grow and stuff like that. So, I just really wanted to show you guys that. I'm going to end up, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get me some soil. Some potting soil from Family Dollars or somewhere. But I'm gonna put my soil down in there, and then I'm gonna hit it with that fertilizer. And I got one more plant to bring out, and it's gonna like hang from the top. So I just kind of want to give y'all that little scoop, that little idea of mine, because I really love my plants. Y'all be out here almost every day messing with my plants and stuff. This little vine here, I'm not quite sure what to call it, but my mom has them, and she gave me some bulbs last year, and I planted the bulbs down here, and they're annual plants, so they grow every year, like with the season. So last year I had a little difficulty with this plant growing up this pole, because that was my whole idea that I wanted it to do. It looks really good. This is how my mom has it at hers, but hers is like really full and just beautiful, right? But last year he only grew to like right here, and then he died because he couldn't grip to grow up further. So this year I got smart with that ass, and I put a little netting right here. Don't ask me where this net come from, because I don't know. But y'all see I got my little thumbtacks in there or whatever, and it's holding, if the camera will pick it up, this netting is holding the plant in place so that it could grow up to the top. Now the idea that I have with this is I'm gonna get some twine. It's gonna be a whole project, y'all. I'm not even playing with y'all. I'm gonna get some twine. Let me back up so y'all can actually see what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna get some twine, right? And I'm gonna place the twine here at the top, and it's just gonna go down in a zigzag motion. And that is going to adhere itself to this plant is going to adhere itself to the twine, and it's going to look really, really good. Okay, so that's a project that I'm working on. I'm not quite sure if I'll record it for y'all, because it seemed like it's going to take all day, but I just wanted to give y'all that little vision or whatever. But I'm probably finna go get my baby, get some more potting soil, and I'm gonna be out. Like, yes, just wanted to show that little bit of whatever. Remember I told y'all we doing hot girl shit all this week, baby, all this week. But yeah, this little plant, this is called a foxtail fern. I wanted to get so bad, but to be honest with y'all, 100% honest, I have really, really bad luck with ferns. Ferns drink a lot of water, and they die easily. If you forget to water them, they start to die. So it's kind of like, should I put this in here, or should I just wait? It might look better in this, to be real with y'all, because see, these plants right here, I know that they typically you know, they okay if you give them a lot of water. But this snake plant, you can't overwater this snake plant. Yeah. Ooh, girl, no, that frog didn't just eat that bug. Okay, but yeah. Now, you can't overwater your snake plant now. Now the pot though, that's good. You can overwater him. You can not water him at all. He a soldier. He gonna survive. But this guy right here, you can't overwater him. It's not good for him. So I might just have these two. Well, see that fern. This fern is not gonna drape over the end. He gonna sit up like that. Yeah, that's how he gonna. This is how he gonna grow. He gonna grow upward. This vine right here, however, is gonna drape down. So I don't know. I might have to just make up my mind and figure it out. But yeah, that's what it is, y'all. I'm finna go ahead, get dressed, go and get my baby because my mama probably tripping right now. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. I might yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'll probably end up recording a little later today, but if not, I will definitely be recording tomorrow. Love y'all. Bye.